guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are doing the apartment tour. From the outside, this is our front door. And so when you get inside, you will be greeted netong plant ni Jen. Ayan. Anong tawag sa plant na yan, Jen? Money tree, yeah. The money tree. And then, we have this shoe rack. Ayan. Tapos, on top of it, eto, may mga perfume si Jen. There are different sets of perfume. Bakit? Last time, nagtanong nga si Yasmin, bakit daw may perfume dito sa labas ni Jen? Ang reason naman ni Jen, baka daw makalimutan mong mag-spray ng perfume just when you're about to get out. So, ayan, meron kang choices ng perfume. Anyway, yan yung mga perfume niya. And then, we have this frame with different coats. Jen got this frame from IKEA. Ayan. Tapos, yung mga coats, I think she bought it at Michael's. Yung isang set siya ng booklet. And there are different coats with different sizes. And you just pick one kung ano yung gusto mo. Tear it to the size you want or kung gaano mo siya kalaking needed. And then you can put it in your own picture frames. Ayan. We have first one, count your blessings each and every day. And then we have the dream big, dream often. And then may you live a life you love. And then the last one, which is the love word. Ayan. So that is it. Yan, yung una mo makikita pagpasok mo pa lang dito sa pinto. Ayan. Tapos, merong mga shoe rack. Actually, medyo madumi nga ata siya. This is all the shoes. Ayan. Tatlong layers. And then, the lower part. I think Jen got these two in IKEA. Jen, no? IKEA din. Yung shoe rack. Well, almost everything ng mga furniture ni Jen is from IKEA. And then, there goes her shoes. Ayan. Tapos, on the first door, dito sa right side, we have the guest bathroom. Ayan. That's it. Just a simple one. Ayan. Guest bathroom. We usually don't use this one. Doon kami sa kabila. Kasi itong flat na to is 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Ayan. That is the first door sa inyong right. And then next is the living room. Okay? Ayan. So first, meron ditong mirror sa side, which is Jen got this one sa IKEA din. Yan, it's a white one. Mahilig si Jen sa plants. Para nga naman may mabuhay tong flat. Kailangan may konting green. So, one green. Yung book stand niya, she also got this in IKEA. Ayan. Tapos, the TV stand, she got this at IKEA as well. Ayan. I'll just probably look into it sa IKEA na website and then attach all the link para makita nyo doon kung saan siya sa IKEA. Baka if you're planning on going to IKEA, especially in Manila, I know that IKEA will probably be open in a couple of months. Ayan. So, at least meron kayong idea if you wanted to purchase this kind of TV stand. Tapos, pakita ko lang yung mga picture frame ng different coats if you want one. Diba ang gaganda? You just have to buy a frame and choose whatever coats you like and put it in there. Diba? Cute siya. You can get this at Michael's. Ayan. Pag napunta kayo sa somewhere na merong Michael's. Ayan. Tapos, we have this coffee table. Center table. Jen got it as well sa IKEA. Sabi ko sa inyo, lahat ng gamit ni Jen is from IKEA. Tapos, anong meron dito? Mga candles lang naman. Mga ornaments ni Jen. Ayan, yung mga pa-candles niya. Tapos, yan. And when we went to the blue, anong tawag dun, Jen? Blue Salon? Ayan, Jen got Godiva na chocolates. Etong TV niya, she just recently got it as a housewarming gift from her company. O, diba, social, paglipat niya dito sa kanyang bagong apartment. We have the sofa. These two sofa. Ayan, this is also from IKEA. And dun kung sino nakapanood nung last time dun sa IKEA na vlog namin, parang nagtanong kami kung merong cover na available for this one. Kasi ang ganda nung floral, but hindi siya available yung seat cover niya kasi ito daw is a fixed one. So if ever Jen wants to put a different seat cover, magpapa-customize siya. Just have a couple of blankets kasi minsan pag nanonood kami ng movie, it gets too cold. Ayan, meron kang blanket dito sa gilid. And then we have the lamp. Ang napakagandang lamp which Jen got. Saan mo nakuha tong lamp? IKEA din. See, IKEA. Halos lahat dito IKEA. IKEA tong lamp niya. And then, the bookshelf. I think she also got this one sa may IKEA. Meron siyang plant na anthurium. If I'm not mistaken. I think this is the white one. Kasi meron din siyang red eh. Ayan. Flowers. Ayan. Anthurium. Wala na siyang bulaklak ngayon. And then the book stand. Yung mga vase. Ayan. It's already 8:35 here in Doha. In the evening. On this corner naman, this is where all the coffee, if you want one sa morning. Meron si Jen na espresso machine. This one. Ayan, kung gusto mong magkape. And a varieties of different flavored. Shoot mo lang siya dito and then have your mug in here. Ayan, kung gusto mong mag-coffee. But I seldom drink coffee kasi nagpapalpitate ako. Or even if you want some tea, ayan, may tea. And then, for sweeteners, we have Splenda. Talagang advertise. We also have some coffee, yung ordinary coffee, if you want one. Cappuccino, and then the Nescafe. Some of the little bowl. We have some teas in here. Ayan. And then, ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, if ever you get into Doha or meron kayong mga friends, ayan, dapat magpabili kayo nitong Karak tea. This is the best na na-enjoy ko dito sa Doha. And then, we also have, meron pa kaming pulburon. This is, Dala ko to nung pumunta ako dito as pasalubong kasi one of Jen's office mates gusto nung pulveron. And ayan, tira pa yan ng pulveron. And then we have this. Jen, ano ang tawag dito? Baklava? Ano ba to? Ha? Baklava. Ayan, we also have baklava. This one, if you want to partner it with your coffee. Ayan, we have baklava. Yung iba dyan, yung mga sweets na ni Jen. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, namamatay na yung tanim. For some unknown reason, yung mga tanim na nandito na side, namamatay siya. Kung alam bakit. Tapos, ito yung flower ni Jen. Phalaenopsis. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Ayan. The jars. These are some of the glasswares, precious glasswares ni Jen. And this one, she recently got this from India kasi Yasmin went to India and nag-order siya ng ganitong mga glasses, teacups. So, ayan, pag may pa-party at gustong magpa-tea party, ayan, meron ng available na, ayan, na teacups. And there is our dining table. Yan, dalawa lang naman kami. Yan. So, these are some of the fruits. And then, on that side naman, this is Jen's room. This is our common bathroom. Ayan. And common bathroom namin ni Jen. This is what we usually use. And this one yung kwarto ko naman. Ayan. Hope you enjoy our little apartment tour, and thanks for watching, and please continue to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Rhea Does Vlogging. Thank you and bye-bye!